Okay, so this is my second Eclipson Helix, because I don't know if you remember the first one. I hadn't been very clever with where I mounted the speed controller. It overheated and I got some nice blue smoke out of the back and then really muffed up the downwind landing, so I wrecked it. So I printed this second one in a delightful green and white. We have done a maiden flight and it went really well. Actually, it's pretty quick today, especially downwind in this wind, because we've got about 15 miles an hour of wind today. Printed on my Bamboo Labs H2S printers, which are fantastic printers. I mean, you just literally click and print. It's really easy. And also using the latest Radiomaster transmitter, the Mark III of the TX16S, which again is brilliant and even more comfortable than the Mark II version, using it together with an ER8 receiver in here. So let's give this a go and see how quick we can get it. I've lost it already.
You're alright. I'll find always some nice warbirds up there. Can film them if not. I got you, Dom.
So, the great thing about this is this Helix, I mean, it can fly slow like that. And then, and roll. On to low rates.
Oh, you're back up there.
Yeah, God, that looped over so quickly. Try and get closer. God, that is so quick. It is slightly pushing down. Highest yet.
I'll zoom out.
Wow. Any faster, you definitely need an FPV.
Yeah, it's borderline, isn't it, for
Borderline FPV.
line of sight.
One more. Switch to high rates for the landing. I think for us, this is probably one of the first things, if you get into, want to start 3D printing, not very many parts to print, and a huge amount of fun, but really quick to print and put together. So we highly recommend this one. As well as, what was the other wing that the DNA?
Yeah, the DNA was really good as well.
The DNA done by Norman.
I'd say if you want to fly FPV, I'd fly the DNA.
Yes.
If you want to fly line of sight, you just want to have good fun,
Then this.
mix of 3S or 4S packs. And in fact, you've got a 2600 in that.
Yeah.
So that's the heaviest we've flown in it, and it doesn't seem to upset it.
No.
So.
No, it's brilliant. There you go. Thanks for filming, Nick.
No worries.
Cheers, bye.